Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down a live USDJPY signal from July 9th, 2025 and showing you exactly why this setup was a clean opportunity for profits. Let's dive right into it. We had a buy signal on USDJPY executed at 146.879, targeting a take profit at 147.382, with a stop loss placed at 146.382. This trade was opened at 5 o'clock in the morning on July 9th, 2025. That's a calculated risk-to-reward ratio of about 1-to-1, giving us a balanced setup with solid risk management. The trade hit 147.118, just a few pips shy of full take profit, but already generated about plus 23.9 pips, locking in a decent profit of 239 yen on a 0.01 lot size. Here's the logic behind the signal. Price was coming off a short-term support zone around 146.80. Bullish momentum was forming on both the M15 and H1 timeframes. There was a bounce off the 200 EMA and confirmation with bullish candlesticks. The D1 chart showed higher lows forming, confirming an uptrend continuation. It was a classic confluence setup. Multiple timeframes aligned for a bullish continuation. That's why we took the buy. Remember traders, when you're entering a trade like this, you want to align your entry with structure. Use a stop loss that protects you and always plan your take profit. Don't just guess. This is how we stay consistent in the markets. If you want more signals like this, breakdowns and real trading strategies, like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification. And if you want to join my private signal group and learn while you earn, the link is in the description below. Until next time, stay profitable, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next trade.